this is my review of the Hotpoint Ultima S-Line RPD 8457J washing machine. Its main selling features are it's got an 8kg drum size, spin speed of 1400, an A triple plus rated efficiency, does a wool wash and a hand wash. It also comes with 10 years guarantee. The RPD 8457 belongs to Hotpoint's Ultima S-Line washing machine range, which it claims to remove over 100 stains at just 20 degrees due to the direct injection technology. Its straightforward and simple controls make it easy to use, and the child lock makes it perfect to prevent those helping hands interfering with your wash. It has a brushless motor, which means it's ultra quiet. It has a handy pull-out quick reference guide with all the different pre-loaded wash functions that this washing machine has. Let's switch it on and see how it looks. So if we start from number 1, it has an anti-stain power at 20, a turbo wash, cotton wash, synthetics, fast, colour care, ultra delicates, wool, eco cotton, shirts, baby, anti-allergy, bed and bath, duvets, rinse, spin and pump out. So what does it look like when we switch it on? Well, I've already preloaded my washing, and I'm going to switch it to a cotton function. So the handy features are you can change the temperature, which automatically changes the time that the wash takes, so that hotter washes take 3 hours and so on. It goes down. You can increase the spin function if you want it extra dry. This function is extremely helpful, especially in the busy household that we're in. I can preset up to 24 hours in advance for my machine to come on. These 2 buttons here are unique to this range. This button is where the washing liquid is mixed underneath before it's injected into the drum. This is part of their pre-mix technology, which means that it's supposedly meant to wash get more, up to 60% better use from the washing liquid that you use. And this is the steam hygiene button, which at the end of the wash, it's not available on all settings, but at the end of the wash it fills the drum with steam to kill more bacteria and give it a more deep and intensive clean. Other cool functions are the auto clean, so it cleans itself. It has a time saver button which can cut time off your wash. Colour care, and one of my favourites, the child lock, which means now no matter what my children come and do, they can't change my preloaded my settings, and so the washing can actually go ahead as I planned it to. So let's see how it looks when it's on. So okay, so in comparison to the other washing machines that I've had, as I said, this is extremely quiet, and some of my favourite features are, so it fill up, And having a young family, I really appreciated the large drum and the fact that I'm able to fit a full single duvet in there, and it's actually got a preset function wash for a duvet. That's really useful. Again, I love the fact there's a key lock on it. However, on a negative point, unfortunately, the advanced technology cleaning still isn't a match for my son's white school t-shirts, meaning that I still have to pre-soak them in stain remover to get them white. But other than that, I'm really pleased with it.